Low, low,
They'll
low,
start over.
low, low, low.
Come, come. Wait for the people. Wait for the people. Okay, be with me. Okay, don't go too deep. Okay, don't go too deep. Don't go too
Who's
deep.
tapping?
Near east. Near east.
Yeah. Just wait. Okay. Go over there now. Okay, the first is gonna be start. Okay, the first is gonna be start. Have grave guard boots. Okay, boys. Have grave guard boots. Wait. They're saying wait. Come back. No, we can't wait anymore. Okay, come on this thing. Choke side. Come in the choke side one.
Ooh.
The northeast side. Wait over here. Okay, they have this thing. Wait. Let me fix your rolls. Okay, fix your skills. Okay. Spread boys. Okay, spread. Let them give them air to come inside. Okay, give them air to come inside. Go a little back. Go a little back. We're gonna engage on the choke. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Okay, ready? Coded him. Don't go inside. Wait. Okay, we're gonna engage on the endless fire. Okay, five, four, three, two, one. Endless. Draw damage on endless. Draw damage on endless. Okay, come back now. Come back. Boys. Come back. Come back. Okay, demon pop. He's on the front. Okay, keep going the southwest. Brawlers don't need to brawl, please. And don't read brawler right now at the moment. He's in the front. I'm not doing brawl. Okay, I'm not doing brawl. Please keep healing the people. Keep healing the people. Keep healing the people. People. Keep healing the people in the front. Okay, keep going up the stairs. Go in the okay, go in the northwest of the stairs. Okay. Okay, wait now. Okay, we're gonna take L God, okay? Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. L God now. Drop DPS over here on the endless, drop DPS. Kill him. Okay, okay, come back now. Come back, boys. Come back. Northwest, come back. D-tanks, try to slow them full. Slow them. Keep going northwest and down the choke. Demon, drop. Okay, keep going northwest. Down the stairs. Guys, down the stairs. Go. Down the stairs, go. Down the stairs, go. Fast. D-tank, try to as much as stop them. Okay, demons, please. Use a potion. Fucking hell, boys. I didn't told you to brawl. Please, don't brawl. It's not a brawl comms. GG's, tell them GG's. I'm trying to do shallow engages, okay? Take one by one. But you don't want to. Don't do. Don't go inside of them too much. That's what I said to the tanks also. Come in the upstairs. Yeah, they have fake. Yeah, they have fake. Oh, what about transfer your name is. Okay, go in northwest down the stairs. Give them speed. No, actually. Okay, let me say ready to them. Take one by one, boys. Okay, take one by one. Okay. Please have name enable. Okay. I'm gonna say okay, it's fine. It's take he's to Akira. Okay, good. Keep hitting him. Good. Okay, we're gonna engage on the Finra guy. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, drop full DPS on the stairs. Okay, come back now. People, you're dropping DPS on the fucking clump. I'm telling you to drop DPS on one guy. Please, they have demons. Keep going downstairs now. Southwest downstairs. D10, try to slow them down full. Slow them down. Keep going down the stairs. Please down the stairs. Please down the stairs, boys. The defense is on front. Yeah, you so shit, guys. You so shit. At the moment. Go down the stairs. Keep healing the front. Keep healing the front. Use a potion. Okay, just wait. Okay. Wait now. We're gonna take the tofu. Okay, Okay, in 3, in 2, in 1. Take the tofu guy. Drop DPS on tofu. You stopped. Okay, keep going southwest. Guys. Keep coming southwest. Try to slow them full. Go in the southeast upstairs. Please. Go in the southeast upstairs. Yep. They're gonna engage. Okay. Defensive right now in the front. Use a potion. Yeah, fucking shit, man. Fucking shit right now at the moment. Let me take all. GG's, tell them GG's. Getting stopped by GA also. Ah, shit. I told you to all the people to take grave guard boots. Shit, man. Wait now, let me take also. Yo guys, we are not gonna go deep. I'm gonna make the clump on you or either on them only. We're gonna do shallow engages. So please don't go too deep. They have demons, you're gonna die with demons. Okay, come down the stairs. Please don't go deep, okay? Drop damage, come back. Drop damage, come back, okay? Oh, wait. Okay, spread now. We're gonna go in the southeast, okay? After the engage, okay? After the engage. Spread. Okay, I'm gonna do a fake, shallow engage, okay? Wait.
They are looking.
Wait. Yep. Spread, go back a little, come back a little, boys, come back a little. Okay, wait now. Let them come inside. Okay, I'm gonna do shallow engage, okay? In the endless, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Endless one. Drop DPS over here. Drop DPS. You guys just getting weird. Come back a little. Go in the southeast, move southeast. D-tank, full stop them, D-tank. Keep kiting in the southeast. Okay, keep coming. He's in the front a little. Okay, keep kiting southeast. Come upstairs. Okay, be ready to defense. Okay, come upstairs. Defense is at the front. Okay, we're gonna go deep. Okay, come deep. Okay, in 5, in 3, in 2, in 1. Drop DPS over here on the ground. Okay, good damage. Go upstairs now. Full field now, upstairs. Yo, Zeol guys, please come up. Keep coming up. Keep gonna push the endless between us. Okay, come back, boys, come back. Upstairs. He's in the front. Okay, now go inside of them. Slowly walk inside of them now. Slowly walk inside. It's fine. Okay, we're gonna take unlist, okay? Full damage on unlist, okay? In 3, in back, in 3, 2, 1. Full damage on unlist, full damage. Drop damage, keep healing. Okay, good now. Okay, go up, come back, boys. Okay, over here, we're gonna stay over here. Let them come inside, okay? I don't know what happened to damage. Please drop damage, okay? Fucking drop damage on me, okay? I need you to drop damage. Okay.
They have a fake engage, by the way.
Come back a little, boys. Let them come inside, okay?
They have 3 claps.
Three claps.
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna do a shallow engage, okay? Wait. In 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. Shallow engage on this tofu. Come back now. Good damage. Come back. Full kite now. Full kite southeast. Boys. Full kite southeast. It's fine. Point 5. Have a look on the D-tanks, okay? Okay, my healers. Have a look on the D-tanks. Okay? Be ready to defense. Go upstairs, please. We got geared, okay? Wait. Go upstairs, guys. Come upstairs. Okay, local ho, they're engaging on local ho. Okay, now look on their backline. Look on their backline, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Backline, drop damage. Full damage. Drop damage. Kill the people who are low. No brawl. Kill the people who are low. Yep, kill the people who are low. Take this Thieves guy who's running on the reason guy. Okay, now come back. Southeast come back. It's fine. It's a fake engage. It's fine. Defensive. They just engage, no? Okay, go inside of them and kill the W.
So they have.
Don't use your E, boys. Don't use your E. I told you. Okay, I'm gonna do an engage on the choke. Okay, be ready. After this E, okay, be ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage on the choke. On the stairs. Okay, come back now, fast. Come back fast. Fast back. D-tanks try to come back. Those who died don't join, okay? Those who died don't join. Okay, come back. Those who died don't join, okay? When we gonna say GG's, then only join. Are they not dying? Are they joined?
They going back east.
Okay, take this Canyon guy. He's the FT. Take this guy. Qs and W's.
By the way, their life course is trying to join. I saw him dismounted.
Okay, yeah. Spread down the stairs. Okay, we're gonna take the 10th guy, okay? 5, 4, 3. This heavy missing. 3, 1. Drop damage on him. Full damage on him. Damage still low. Take this Cyberus guy. He's behind of us. It's fine. Take this sideways guy who's behind of us. He's gonna run. Okay, good. Come back, boys. Come back. Come back. Good defensive. Come back. See over here. And this also died. No? Just stay over here. Okay, next guy is gonna be Tofu. Okay, we're gonna full damage on Tofu. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna take Tofu. Okay, be ready. Not the V banana guy. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. V banana. Drop damage over here. Drop damage. Okay, come back. We got you. Okay, full damage. Full back. Back. Okay, stay over here. Stay over here. It's fine. It's fake. Keep coming back. Go in the northwest upstairs. Northwest upstairs. Okay, upstairs. Wait over there. Okay, don't go too much deep. Okay, now come back. Yeah, come back. Okay, try to take one by. Okay, try to take one by. Okay, I'm gonna take V banana one more time. Okay, I'm gonna try to take 10s. Okay, B full damage. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dropping full damage on this. Good damage. Oh man, damage need to be strong. Take this V banana guy. Last guy. Come back. Defensive. Demon full. He's in the front. Okay, now come back. Go inside of them. Come on. Come inside of them. Walk inside of them. Brawlers, if you have brawlers, go inside of them. Okay. Take their healers. Try to Qs and Ws to the healers. You don't fucking drop your DPS. Okay, I'm gonna drop engage. Okay, on between us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage winners. Stop damage on the command. Good. Kill the people who are low. Okay,
GG's.
I don't know why the DPS is low when he takes solo, guys. Please, I'm gonna bring the clump toward you guys. You don't need to come deep, okay? Or either I take soul side, so actually you can come on the clump. Okay, I'm gonna try soul side. We're gonna take one guy, okay? Enable your name, okay? I'm gonna take one guy, okay? Period. Why I'm taking one guy? I want to check how much DPS we can do in the one engage, okay? Just wait.
They are positioning
You
southeast.
should be on.
Wait. Let me say.
Color looking.
You should be on 4th W, right?
What?
You should be on 4th W, right?
No. No. I'm gonna target one guy, stun him, and then pull the out of DPS on him.
Okay.
Come back, Akira. Billu. Wait. Okay, wait. Okay, there's a healer hello fall over in the north. Defensive in the front. Take this endless guy, okay? Be ready. Endless guy in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full damage on the endless. Oh man, come back. Come back. Okay, wait. Qs and Ws to the endless. You still have engage? Drop engage, okay? On him in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage on in endless. If you can, drop damage on him. Come back. Just keep coming back. Full Qs and full heals the people. Stop them. D-tank stop them. Demon stop. Good defensive. Keep going down the stairs. Keep going down the stairs, guys. Radium and idiot. Okay, wait for the engage. Okay, wait for the engage. Don't fucking use your E's, okay? Randomly. Okay, we're gonna look endless. Okay, be ready on endless. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 1. Endless full damage right now. Full damage. Keep killing him. Try to kill him. Good. Now come back. Good.
Color looking.
Demon is off. He's a pushing. Keep him in the front. Try to heal the front. Okay, go back. Okay, wait. Qs and Ws to the healer. Defensive need heals. Okay, defensive need it. Okay, wait now. Take this 10th guy. Okay. Wait. Take this. Wait. After come back a little. Okay, we're gonna take the locust guy. Okay, in 5, between us. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage between us. Yeah, take this guy. One guy. Oh, come back, guys. It's fine. Come back. Spread in the northwest. Come here. Let him come back. Okay, wait. They're coming inside. Demon in front. He's in the front. You don't need heals. Everyone needs heals in the front. Okay. We're gonna take 10s. Okay. After this healing route. Okay. Okay. Wait. They stun 10s. Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10s drop damage on this stairs. Full drop damage. Okay. Come back. Come back, guys. back, don't roll. Come back. They are not coming inside also, my boys. I need to check.
Your Hollow Fall needs mana.
Wait.
Mana, please.
Please a bit more. Take this, wait.
Thank you.
You're gonna engage.
Hence, this here.
Engaging.
Wait. They engage. We're gonna take the tens, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tens guard. Full down damage between tens. Now you can see that we don't have damage also.
They're walking in, I think.
Yes,
I'm holding them.
go in the northwest, come northwest, keep coming northwest, go in the small stretch. Okay, demon be ready, Demon now.
Engaging.
Demon down, he's in the front. Go downstairs, go down the stairs, fine, go down the stairs in 5. Okay, engage between us, okay, be ready, engage between us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the 10th guy, drop damage on him, drop damage. Okay, come back now.
In the healer dead almost.
Come back, it's fine. Keep coming back. He's in zero, he's on zero. Keep coming down the stairs, boys. They're gonna do shallow engage, okay? They're gonna do shallow engage. One guy shallow engage. That's why I keep telling to don't go inside of them. Don't go inside of them. Please? Yes or no? I'm telling it, no? Okay, come up. We're gonna take the tofu, okay? Tofu full engage, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage on tofu. Okay, come back. Getting stopped by one guy. Okay, we're ready for defensive, full defensive in the front.
Nah, call GG, I think.
The damage is not here. Please, the damage is not here. We can't really take one guy. I don't know why. But yeah, we don't really have full damage, okay? I guess we need to go in this. Please, guys. The thing is, I want only my DPS to be behind of you, okay? We're gonna do shallow engages. When I'm gonna say brawl, then go inside of it, okay? I don't want to be this thing, but I'm just getting irritated, okay? I can't really take one guy also. That's the thing. That one guy full damage should be dead. With how many DPS we have, it should be dead with full damage, but he is not dying. I'm gonna still try this, okay? I want to try this, okay?
If we engaging on Tofu, Spike, you are very important. Keep your E.
Scorpio, come back, please. Come back, boys. Okay, guys, we're gonna take over here. Okay, be a little down. Okay, go a little behind. Don't go inside of them, guys, okay? Give them space. Okay, we're gonna take this banana guy, okay? In 5. Defensive. Full defensive. He's on me. Take the L God, okay? In 3, 2, 1. L God now. Drop damage on L God. Full damage on L God. I just said little fast. Come back, boys. Come back. Keep coming back. Full kite back, okay? Full kite back. Keep coming back. Go down the stairs. We're gonna engage, okay? Be ready to defensive. Go defensive. Go down the stairs. Okay, defensive from the front. Use a potion. Good heals. The people. Keep healing the front. Go down the stairs. Come down the stairs. Keep coming down the stairs. Come down the stairs. Okay, we're gonna take this thing, okay? Wait. Engage on endless. No. Come down the stairs, guys. Go little back. Okay, take the full wiki, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take the L God. Drop damage on L God. Full damage. Okay, come back. This is not good. That's getting done. Keep healing the people. Full kite in the southeast. Try to keep healing the people.
Side guys.
Keep fighting. Go in the southeast upstairs. D-tank try to slow them down as soon as possible. Demon one more time.
They're looking.
Demon one more time. They just keep engaging on us. Okay, take this Fubu. Oh man. Okay, wait for endless. Now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. L God now. Full trap. DPS. Now kite back in the southeast. Like kite back in the southeast. D-tanks try to stop them. Keep kiting southeast. We ready to demon. It's fine. Use a potion. Use the people. Keep killing the people. Let me say GG. Okay. It's good. Okay. Try to take one guy. Okay. It's good. Just come in the tent. We have good block. Good thing. You can actually take one, but it just need to be. Try to take one guy. Okay. Try to take one. Yeah. We're gonna take the same side. Okay.
Need heals.
Oh yeah. We have none. Wait.
Can I switch to GA or like heavy mace?
We can switch to GS. I guess they don't really have a guard buffs to just switch to GS. Okay, go down the stairs. I guess they're gonna take this. Come down the stairs. Tab. What happened? Tab. Okay. Dismount over here. Upstairs, I guess. No. What are they doing? Go down the stairs, guys. Go down the stairs. Wait over here. Okay. DPS, be ready. Okay, I'm gonna engage on them. Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the Elgod and the all get guy. Full damage on him. Okay, come back. Full kite. Demons in the front. Demons pop. Good defensive. Keep going down the stairs. He's in the front. Use a potion, guys. Take the hit and keep going down the stairs. Down the stairs, guys. Try to reach me, guys. Keep going down the stairs. Keep coming. Okay, between us. Okay, in 5. After this here. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage between us if you can. Yeah, good damage. Okay, come back. Keep coming back. Try to stay there. Come upstairs. Try to stay there. Go upstairs. Come upstairs. Those who are dying, let them die. Keep coming. He's in the front. Okay, keep going southeast. Keep going southeast. Please cleanse if you have cleanse. Yeah. Do full damage in between us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full damage on the choke. This step. Stop damage. Yeah, I guess they should die, no? Just keep directing him. GG, play safe, GG. Come back. अरे यार चुप ना. हाँ चिल्ला रहा हूँ मत करो. It's GG's. Wait, it's GG's. Right.
Eh, syempre, journal yan eh. Tapos naka 8.1 ka pa na bug.
Come back, guys. Come back. They're getting engaged. Okay, be ready. After this, they are gonna engage. Demon. Full engage on the stairs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage on the stairs. Drop damage between us. Okay, comes the kite in the southeast. Fucking
Wait,
drop,
draw.
man. How much fucking damage I need?
I'm going to pause for now. Hey, thanks for today. See ya.
Oh yeah.